So hello everybody, we're here at an event and we have Avery here who's never seen the Pro Hair Ties before, never saw videos like ads, anything?
Never, just until just now.
Okay, awesome. So I'm going to show you real quick how to use the hair ties. How would you define your hair?
Very, very flat and very, very straight.
Straight? Cool.
It's only frizzy because I blow dried it this morning, but it is super thin, super thin.
Okay, no problem, let's try it out. So go ahead and grab any color here. The top one's up here, glow in the dark.
I'll do this color, kind of matches.
Cool. Yeah, snowflake gray. So what you're going to do is just put it in your hair like a normal hair tie. Okay. So you're just going to put your hair up, pull it off your wrist with the clasp in your hand, and then just wrap it and then put it in your hair.
Okay.
And what we'll do is we'll see if it's a little bit too loose or too tight, and then we'll adjust it.
Okay.
And then when you want to take it out, they all have a little clasp. You just lift up on that to let it out.
Okay.
So go ahead, you can try that out.
Do you want me to turn?
Yeah. I mean,
okay.
So I mean, I'm sure that people would love to watch you put it in, see how it works. Awesome. Good. Yeah. So let's see. So it's kind of hard to tell. Let me scoot it up a little bit. Okay. You said your hair is like fine?
Yes.
It's actually pretty thick.
Right now.
Oh, okay.
Because I blow dried it this morning.
Oh, okay.
But I'm about to chop it all off too, so it's about to get really thin.
Okay. Because even right now, so here, we'll do it for the camera. So you can see here, it's really not sliding. So
that's perfect.
I would normally like trim it if it was like a little bit sliding. So if when you like wash your hair and it's like not frizzy, I guess.
Yeah.
And you put it in and you feel like it's slipping a little bit, you can trim off one section and make it a little bit tighter. But even that, like right there, you could wear that all day and it's not, it's not going to move.
Yeah,
How does it feel in your hair?
It feels perfect. I have a lot of trouble when I used to cheer. Putting my hair up in a high ponytail, it would slide down within seconds of putting my bow in. So it does feel like it's not going to fall, which is pretty good.
It's really good. Then when you want to take it out, let's go ahead and try that. Just find that little piece of plastic.
I'm trying to. Oh, I found it. Oh my gosh, that's perfect.
What do you think, just in general? Was it easy to find it?
That's so much easier. With having like sort of longer hair, it's hard to like pull a ponytail out, and my hair just like takes it out with it. So that's really nice.
Cool. Would you recommend people with like your kind of hair type to try it, or any hair type? What do you think?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
My mom would love these because she always is looking for good hair ties. So
cool. Well, I appreciate you trying it out and showing people like your first time experience with the product. And you can keep that one.
Perfect.
And thank you for your time.